नमस्कार दोस्तों, हम आज आपके सामने फोर्थ क्लास का एक्सरसाइज 3 थर्ड सी स्टार्ट करें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट। फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट। क्वेश्चन इज A 3215 into 405. So here we discuss about these two, how to find the product. Product means इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद रिजल्ट जो आता है दैट इज अ प्रोडक्ट। जो हम नॉर्मल मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं सेम वैसे ही हमें इसको यहाँ करना है, सिंपल। दिस इज अ 3 digit multiplication. First of all, 5 is multiplied by the 5, then 1, then 2, and then 3. And again 0 is multiplied by 5, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, we take the 4 multiplied by 5, then 1, then 4, then 2, and then 3. So first of all, multiply by the 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 1s are 5, 5 and 2 7, 5 2s are 10, 10 10 0, carry 1, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. Then here use the cross sign. 0 multiplied by 5 0, 0 multiplied by 1 0, 0 multiplied by 2 0, 0 multiplied by 3 0. Then use the 2 cross here. It means 2 zeros. You can use the 2 zeros. 4 into 5 20, 4 5 are 20, and 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2 6, 4 2s are 8, and 4 3s are 12. So this is the product. Then sum of these here 5 7 0, 6 plus 6 12, carry 1 10 and 0, carry 1 3 and 1. So here 13,02,075 is your answer. It means your product is here 13,02,075 is your answer. Okay, so next we will start the second question.
Start.
And here next question is 2979 into 4000. तो अब जब भी आपके पास 0 0 होते हैं तो आप कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं? तो उससे का सीधा सा तरीका ये है कि आप क्या करेंगे। सबसे पहले देखिए जितने 0 हैं उतने 0 आप यहाँ लगा दीजिए। जैसे 1 2 3 zeros हैं, 3 0 लगा दिए। उसके बाद इधर बचता है 4, सिर्फ ओनली 4। इस 4 को हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 2979 से। तो 4 9 जा 36, कैरी 3, 4 7 जा 28 plus 3 31, कैरी अगेन 3, 4 9 जा 36 and plus 3 39, carry 3, and 4 2 8 plus 3 11. So this is your answer. Okay, then we discuss the question number 2. अगर आप बाकी क्वेश्चंस को आपको एज इट इज ऐसे ही करना है, मल्टीप्लाई करना है या नॉर्मल वे में करना है, ठीक है। देन वी विल स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2.
Start.
Question number 2 is find quotient and remainder and check your result, check your answer. In this question we find the quotient. क्या फाइंड करेंगे? क्वेश्चन फाइंड करेंगे और उसको रिमाइंडर फाइंड करने के बाद हम इसको चेक करेंगे कि ये जो किया है वो अपन ने सही है या नहीं। सो क्वेश्चन ए 68,345 divide by 35. So first of all, we'll divide this. This 35 is here divisor, and this number is here dividend. So divide by 35. To the 70. 70 is a 6 more than the 68. It means we use here one time. 35 on the 35. Remainder here 3 and 3, 33, and next digit is 3. Then how much times they are here? So multiply here 3 is 9. 9 is multiplied by 9. 45, 9, 3 is 27 plus 51, yani 315. So how much time here? 9 time. And subtract here 5, 4, 3, 8, and here 1. 18 is the remainder. Next digit is 4. 184. So how many times there? Divide there. 30 to 70, 70 and 4, I think 4 times they given here. 4 5s are 20, and then carry 2, 4 3s are 12, 12 and 2 40. This is one time more here, I think. Not 4 times, here 5 times. 5 5s are 25 to 70, 175. It means here 5 times 175. Remainder is the 9. And next digit is here 5, 95. Then 2 times is 2 times is here, it means 70. So remainder is the 5 and 2. So remainder is 25.
Start.
So this is the division, okay, and this number is here quotient. So right here first QUOTIENT, quotient is equal to his here 1952, and second is the remainder is equal to here 25. So right here 25, and these two given here. Divisor is here 35, and fourth is dividend. So these 4 points is here. We find the value of these 4, and dividend is 68,345. So these 4 values put into this equation. So quotient is 1,925 into divisor remains 35 plus remainder 25 is equal to 68,345. So first of all, multiply these two. So multiply these two, it means 1952 into 35, 5 to the 10, carry 1, 5 25 plus 1 26, carry 2, 5 9 is 45 plus 2 47, carry 4, 5 and 4 9, into 3 to the 6, 3 5 is 15, carry 1, 3 9 is 27 plus 1 28, carry 2, 3 1 is 3 and 2 5, 0, 6 plus 6 12, carry 1, 8 plus 5 13, carry 1 10, 18, carry 1 here 16. So 68,320. So product of these two is here 68,320 plus 25 is equal to 68,345. The sum of these two number 25 and 20, 45. So 68,345 is here, and the right hand side is also 68,345. So it means left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So you can write here left hand side is equal to right hand side. दोनों साइड्स जब सेम आ जाती है, इट मीन्स आपका क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल करेक्ट है. इट क्लियर? सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, and all these questions are same. So everybody solve all these questions according to this question, according to this formula, and check your answer.